Thousands of American Airlines passengers faced travel chaos over the weekend as the carrier experienced one of its worst operational disruptions in recent months. Families were stranded and vacation plans were ruined due to widespread delays and cancellations. On Friday, October 10, American Airlines recorded 1,082 flight delays in a single day, affecting roughly one-third of its total flights. The situation worsened on a Jamaica-bound flight when two defiant passengers forced the plane to return mid-air. Flight 2732, departing Charlotte Douglas International Airport at 2 p.m., was forced to turn back just 50 minutes into the journey. The disrupted passengers were removed and the flight eventually departed at 5:10 p.m., arriving in Montego Bay at 6:46 p.m., nearly 5 hours behind schedule. The disruptions continued into Saturday, October 11, with 651 delays, affecting 19% of American Airlines flights. Among U.S. carriers, Delta recorded 562 delays and 44 cancellations. United had 531 delays, while Southwest data remained unavailable. Globally, American Airlines ranked second for delays, behind only European budget carrier Ryanair. Major airports including Newark, Liberty International, Chicago O'Hare, and Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta saw widespread congestion. Officials attribute the disruptions to the ongoing government shutdown, which has reduced air traffic control staffing, creating challenges across the aviation system. Airlines have struggled to manage passenger demand amid limited air traffic control capacity, leaving millions of travelers impacted by delays and cancellations over the weekend.